Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we got a 2016 Kia Optima, and we are going to remove the door panel to be able to fix some things inside there. So to start with, I've got the just any basic plastic tool used to go around here and remove things without damaging your door panel. You can use a screwdriver, but you'd want to put some cloth on it so that you don't make any gouges or marks in there. I find it easy to just pop this off first. Just held on by these two clips, and that one sits in there. So we just pop this off so that when we go ahead and remove some other stuff, it'll be easier to get the door panel off. And next, there's some covers in here. They're on an image in the guide, but you're just going to pull those out, set them aside. There's also one here behind the door lock, or the door latch. Pop that one off. Not so much force. And then you need just a regular P2 screwdriver to loosen a screw here. And we loosen a screw here. And we're going to work our way around with our plastic removal tool. Alright, so once you've worked around with the plastic removal tool, you just got it. I've noted that there's two little indents at the bottom. I'll show those in an image. But there's two little indents at the bottom that give you access to be able to put your tool in and just work your way around and just pry it away. Once you've pried it away all the way around, popped it all free, it's all free there, then all you got to do is just push it up a little bit and get it out like this. And then this is where you're going to want to undo some connectors up here. So that's removing of the door panel. We're going to set that aside. And things you had to undo back here is we had the electrics. You just got to push the tab and pull it out. And same with the electrics that go to the front modules to be able to control your mirrors, move your mirrors, and adjust all that. Same thing, you push that tab. And this is fairly unique. A lot of times you have to unhook these individually from the locking mechanism, but this was just a push the tab and pull it off like that. Today we're going to finish up putting the door panel on your 2016 Kia Optima, right? So a few things we got to remember is we got an electric cable back here that needs to be hooked up to, as well as this one and this door mechanism. This is what you will lock and unlock your door with, is this piece right here, and that will line up on there. There will be some better image for you to look at that, but it lines up in here and just snaps into place. So first, go ahead and raise your door panel up, kind of lined up where it should go. Just give you the space, reach in there and connect the electrics up, push them until they snap. Snap, then take your door cables that are up at the top, literally just push them in at an angle and snap it in. And of course you can check to make sure that it does everything. Now, it works better if the window's down, but you can still do it if the window's up. But keep the window down, right, keep that electric there, and just pop the lip over the top. We don't have any, and there's like a guide over here, but we also don't have the door lock mechanism or anything like that in our way, because that's all built into right here. So you've got that all situated, then just work your way around, tapping all the clips. You've worked your way around, you've pushed all the clips to lock in the door, lock the door on the panel. Now you got a screw to put in here and a screw to put in here. And these are just Phillips screws. So you just take your little cover here, just push it in, pull out the door handle, and then push it in, lock it in place, and then get this oriented the right way to sit in here. And that just pushes down and sits in there, and that's how you put your door panel back together. The last piece is putting this on, and this just snaps into place. And that's how you finish putting your door panel back on and back together on your 2016 Kia Optima. Most likely is a range of Kias, but this is a 2016. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.